Thanks for joining us for the Maxon Fall release. We're thrilled to show you what we've been working on. Whether you're designing a product, building an environment, sculpting and animating a character, or rendering your next big idea, Maxon tools are built with speed and innovation to help artists bring imagination to life. With this launch, we're introducing a refreshed visual identity: modular, consistent, and connected. It's a visual expression of how our tools are designed to work better together. It also signifies our evolving brand and our focus on meeting the needs of the next generation of users everywhere.
Cinema 4D is the go-to tool for artists across a wide spectrum of industries. In motion design and broadcast, it empowers creators to craft stunning kinetic typography, eye-catching logo animations, and dynamic broadcast graphics, all with an intuitive workflow that keeps creativity flowing. For product visualization, Cinema 4D delivers hyper-realistic renders that bring campaigns to life with accurate materials and fast scene setup. Architectural visualization artists rely on Cinema 4D to create photorealistic interiors and exteriors, with renders powered by Redshift for breathtaking materials and lighting. And in film and VFX, Cinema 4D's powerful timeline and rigging tools enable filmmakers to iterate quickly on scenes and collaborate efficiently across pipelines. No matter the challenge, Cinema 4D adapts to your creative vision. Cinema 4D now offers powerful new liquid simulations designed to take your motion graphics, product design, and VFX shots to the next level. Seamlessly integrated into our unified simulation system, the same forces, modifiers, and conditions you know and love from particle simulations can now be used to art direct your liquids with ease. Easily fill any object with liquid thanks to the dedicated liquid fill emitter, or turn any particle emission into a liquid with the new Liquify modifier. We've been working on a number of new capabilities in Redshift, starting with lighting. We're enhancing our physical sun and sky model, the cornerstone lighting setup for architectural visualization professionals. The new sun object offers greater control over lighting and its effect on a scene, making it easier than ever to replicate real-world lighting conditions. You can now even have multiple suns in the sky. Plus, our new procedural cloud object lets you add dynamic, animated clouds for a more realistic and captivating sky. We've introduced smarter scaling with scene unit awareness in Redshift for Cinema 4D. No more guessing which parameters adjust when you change scene units. Now, Redshift brings scene unit awareness to key material and light parameters, more clearly labeled, and with the option for automatic global scaling, which is especially handy when importing assets or switching units mid-project. Built with ArchViz workflows in mind, this update ensures your materials, lights, and textures stay consistent and accurate, saving you time and headaches from manual fixes. Adjustments to bump mapping now improve the overall bump quality and make it possible to directly apply bump maps from procedural and OSL shaders. This core improvement might even boost your render performance, making Redshift faster, sharper, and more future-ready. Cinema 4D now offers support for UDIM workflows, allowing you to assign multiple resolution textures to your models and create assets that work seamlessly in industry-standard pipelines. Maxon One subscribers have access to the expansive Maxon Capsules library, which offers a wide variety of assets to kickstart any project. Capsules let you streamline collaboration by providing a centralized library of materials, assets, presets, and much more. Whether you're a solo artist or part of a large studio, Capsules empower you to work smarter and keep your creative projects moving forward with confidence. Cinema 4D's new AI search makes finding capsules, assets, textures, and presets effortless. Operating entirely on your local machine, it delivers faster and more precise results. As summer turns to fall, we're releasing some capsules perfect for cozy fall renders. First up, Lobwork plants in C4D are now procedural. Easily browse species and watch the passage of time over years and seasons. Next, we released 2 stunning material collections. There's the wax and soap set. They look so gorgeous when backlit, you'll want to eat them. But don't. And for that extra touch of warmth, dive into the wool and knit materials collection, ideal for cozy interior renderings with soft, textured fabrics. We've also designed an antique executive office filled with carved wooden desks, rich wallpapers, and matching decor. Speaking of classics, the new join spline generator from Rocket Lasso lets you make classic architectural elements like columns and moldings by stacking together simple splines. And with this release, we're adding over 800 Redshift-ready models, letting you drag, drop, and render. Redshift is our blazing fast, production-proven GPU renderer built to handle the most demanding workloads in visual effects, animation, and design. Redshift is built for artists who demand speed and quality across diverse industries. In feature film and VFX, Redshift powers massive, complex scenes with GPU-accelerated photorealism, delivering stunning visuals on tight schedules. Architectural visualization artists benefit from Redshift's fast interactive previews and physically accurate lighting setups like our physical sun and sky model, helping them sell their vision with beautiful, true-to-life renders. In advertising and commercials, Redshift offers rapid turnaround and stylized shading options that make products and campaigns pop, giving studios the flexibility to deliver standout visuals. Coming soon, we'll be introducing next-gen texture displacement to Redshift based on a highly efficient texel-based implementation. Now you have the option to create high-quality, richly detailed surfaces without the heavy interactive performance cost of traditional displacement. Production-ready displacement that's faster, lighter, and more scalable with progressive rendering than ever before. Introducing the distortion shader across all DCCs, and there's more. We're adding support for NVIDIA data center GPUs, updating to support ACES 2.0, and delivering IPR improvements in 3ds Max. Plus, full support for Houdini Solaris 21 is here. And if you haven't heard, we're bringing the power of our world-class tools for film, TV, and gaming to architectural visualization within Vectorworks. Architects will be able to go from real-time previews to photoreal renders in a unified ecosystem, all powered by Redshift. Visit maxon.net to sign up for the beta. ZBrush is the sculpting powerhouse trusted by creators across multiple fields. In game development, it's the industry standard for building highly detailed characters and assets. Film and animation studios use ZBrush to design incredible creatures and characters, integrating with pipelines to bring ideas from concept to screen. For collectibles and toy designers, ZBrush offers precision sculpting that translates beautifully into 3D printing and manufacturing with tools like Polypaint, adding rich colors directly on the model. And concept artists rely on ZBrush's digital clay to rapidly iterate ideas, creating compelling visuals that jumpstart projects and inspire teams. ZBrush is truly where creativity meets craftsmanship. Continuing to expand the features of ZModular on the desktop and iPad, we've made ZModular more precise and responsive than ever. With enhanced visibility when hovering over vertices, edges, and faces, it's easier to model with confidence. Clean, clear feedback means faster, more accurate geometry manipulation so you can stay in the zone. We've also added auto creasing when using insert edge loop, multi-edge loop, or creating a polygon inset. We've been working on new features for ZBrush for desktop and iPad. Another feature we've added is support for Python scripting for desktop, unlocking powerful automation and plugin development possibilities. Whether you're customizing tools, building your own UI extensions, or streamlining repetitive tasks, Python brings a new level of flexibility and control to ZBrush. On ZBrush for iPad, you can now import and export STL along with exporting a 3MF and VRML file with ease, giving you a clean, professional pipeline from sculpt to print with the addition of the popular desktop plugin 3D Print Hub. Also new to ZBrush for iPad, using our Scale Master, you can set your scene scale in real-world units with just a few taps. Perfect for artists working on collectibles, prototyping, and precision modeling. We're constantly enhancing ZBrush for iPad to make your creative journey smoother. Now, you can easily move the custom bottom bar to the top of your UI with a flick. Plus, adjusting the size and rotation of your modifier wheel is a breeze with just 2 fingers. And we're excited to announce that customizing the interface on ZBrush for iPad just got a whole lot easier. Now, you can effortlessly transfer your personalized setup to a friend or between iPads. Save and load your custom UI, including your bottom bar, quick menu, trays, modifier wheel, the location of each element, and even your ZModeler presets. ZBrush for iPad adapts seamlessly to your workflow, making your creative process smoother and more intuitive. ZBrush's acclaimed surface noise feature continues to expand. The ZBrush for iPad version has received another UI update, ensuring seamless interaction across all iPad sizes, along with individual noise resets and a Reset All option. Additionally, the alpha image can now be rotated and transformed, and undo and redo actions are now available on both desktop and iPad versions. The Pro Project series keeps growing with a brand new addition to spark your creativity. Now, with the ZBrush for iPad version hosting all Pro projects in the cloud, expanding our library will be a breeze, and you won't have to worry about lengthy download times. Set to be released later this year, the ability to create from scratch or manually retopologize has been greatly enhanced. Our team has been diligently developing new retopology tools that will empower you to design to create individual faces, precisely place vertex points, draw geometrical lines, expand by edge loops, select through various topology patches, and so much more. Our aim is to enable you to retopologize more efficiently than ever before within ZBrush. Another significant update we will be releasing later this year is the new folder restructure, which serves as the foundation for expanding user profiles. This enhancement will simplify the process of transferring these items from one version to another. Additionally, this improvement will facilitate better management of the ZBrush folder structure for educational institutions and studios. One of the most requested features for ZBrush is also coming soon, an all-new UV editor. You'll be able to create, edit, and manage UVs directly in ZBrush for desktop with precision and control, seamlessly integrated into your sculpting workflow. Red Giant is a creative toolkit trusted by storytellers working on content creation, film, TV, and motion graphics. In film and TV post-production, Red Giant delivers professional color grading and visual effects that bring stories to life with cinematic polish. Motion graphics and broadcast artists rely on Red Giant's plugins to create dynamic effects and smooth transitions, powering eye-catching graphics that capture audiences. For music videos and commercials, Red Giant provides bold, stylized looks and efficient workflows that keep creativity fast and flexible under tight deadlines. And with the rise of social media content, Red Giant's intuitive studio presets and templates help creators produce striking effects, making every frame count. With Maxon Studio, you can now elevate your video with a growing library of templates, motion graphics, titles, and effects. With the introduction of the Create page, you can now create and share your own templates. Maxon Studio lets you save and reuse your capsules across projects. Build once, drag anywhere. Whether you're a solo creator or working across teams, reusable assets let you work faster, stay consistent, and adjust to any format. New for September, Maxon Studio now includes effects capsules for capturing whole effect stacks in a single layer. Create, save, and share your favorite effect recipes in seconds without touching the timeline. And now, Maxon Studio capsules support the inclusion of assets. sharing just became even more caring. We've also been continuing to expand support for DaVinci Resolve, bringing more Red Giant magic to your workflow. Now you can glow up your projects using two of our most beloved tools, Shine and Starglow. Whether you're adding volumetric light rays for cinematic drama or giving titles and highlights that signature shimmering glow, these tools bring extra polish and impact, all right inside Resolve. DaVinci Resolve and Fusion get a gizmo update. Rev up your workflow with all new on-screen position controls across the Red Giant toolset. Whether it's placing that spot blur with precision, dialing in a soft gradient background, or fine-tuning a chromatic glow mask, this update streamlines your creative flow. Coming soon, Red Giant will reveal its automatic depth estimation tool. This addition will enable fast and simple integration of effects across the depth of any shot.
That's just a glimpse of what's available now and coming soon. Powerful updates designed to accelerate your creative process and push your projects further, faster. From sculpt to render, from motion to final pixel, the Maxon ecosystem is designed to help you create anything you can imagine. Whether you're a new artist or a seasoned pro, there's never been a better time to dive in.